Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Color Street. I have some of the new summer shades. They already released the summer stuff a long time ago, and then they did just a random release of a few extra sets. So wanted to show you what I got, plus a few from the last release. It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing. So when I started, the packaging was real tiny, then it went real big, and now this is the newest packaging where it's somewhere kind of in between. So I do like that it's a lot smaller. And for the neons, they kind of put, instead of putting the nail strips here, this is just like a piece of paper with them on there. They said for the neons that they can discolor if they're in light, which is why they did that. That way you can't see them through the thing. So still get 16 strips, and this is a very fun hot pink. It's called Los Angeles, which my toenails are pretty much always that color, like a bright, bright pink. Currently, I have 3 different nail sets on. I'm reusing some old Valentine's Day sets just to get rid of them rather. And then this one's Venetian Velvet, which is a fave of mine. And I was painting, so totally got that on my nails and ruined the other hand. So always something interesting going on. This next one, I love this color. It's a really bright, I guess it's kind of like a turquoise. And again, it's a neon. This one's called Budapest. They always have really creative names. So that one's pretty. This one was probably my favorite, and I got 2 of these. It's called Pool Intentions. So it looks like how it looks looking into a swimming pool. I thought it was really neat. So I got 2 of those. And then this one is a pastel purple. And it's called Fashion Prager. And then I think the rest, these 2 at least, were from the last collection. It's like a copper color. It's called Moscow or Never. And this one I thought was really pretty. A nice hollow glitter with some gold in it. And it's called Seattle Royale. I like that they made this a lot bigger too. And this one was one of the Memorial Day ones, though I didn't think it was Memorial Day themed. It is just a clear overlay, so you could put any color underneath it, and then the stars will show on top. I just kind of thought that was fun. And this one's called Star for the Course. So if anybody would like to order anything, I will put my link below. Ever since COVID, they've been having a hard time trying to keep their items in stock. So they've been doing like releases every day once they get caught back up on the inventory. So if stuff's sold out, that's why. If you've never tried Color Street, I can send you a twosie, which looks like this. It's just 2 nail strips, and if your nails are shorter like mine, you could do 4 nails with this just to try it out and see if you like it. It's very easy to use, and I love Color Street. So if you want a sample, please email me. All my information is below the video in the description box, and there is a link below if you'd like to order. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.